Welcome, Lieutenant Beck. As you heard from Ray, I have been tasked with getting you to Vakara.
Red 2, Blue 5, keep tight now. Let's get ready to make that jump to light speed on my mark.
Black Leader, we're picking up an unusual signal. Are you spotting anything?
Yeah, I see it. We'll check it out.
He's down.
Proceed forward, report to the first officer. How many? 4. Blue. How many? Red. You have all been assigned to. These pillars are vital for your interrogation moving forward. Memorize them, as I will not do it for you. Everyone else, all the way down quickly, do not enter.
Wait right here for a second.
Blue and red, follow them inside.
Leave us.
Yes, General.
Enemies of the First Order.
Yes.
We will soon snuff out your meager resistance. You chose the wrong side, and now you will pay.
How much?
The resistance prisoners.
What?
You have what I want. You know the location of the secret base, and I will take it from you.
We are needed on the bridge.
Keep the prisoners here. I will return to finish this personally.
Dia boleh.
We're gonna get you guys out of here. It's gonna be a bumpy ride. Take off our hats and ears and fall back to back.
Let's go quickly, everybody, before they come back.
Post clear back with an attack force.
Then head down to the escape pod base. Those droids are programmed to return you to Batu. Hurry and don't get caught. Lieutenant Beck will guide you.
Recruits, for your safety, stay seated with seatbelts securely fastened. Keep hands, arms, feet, and legs inside the transport and supervise your children. Tell them it's a prisoner transfer. Did it work? Good. Now get a move on. There's a clear path to the turbo lifts at the end of the hallway. Turn right. A probe droid. You're lucky it didn't spot you. Take those turbo lifts and stay out of trouble.
Hey, you're not authorized. Wait, those are the prisoners.
Your cover is blown. Find an alternate route. Who picked these two droids anyway?
There's the door! Fire!
The escape pods just below us. Take the lift down. We'll cover you. Hurry!
No, not up! I said down!
This does not look good. Try to find another way down to the escape pods.
The Resistance will attempt to rescue the prisoners.
They have neither the resources nor the courage to engage us.
You underestimate their conviction. Raise the shields!
Shields? I see no evidence.
Now!
Sound the alarm! All personnel to their stations!
Sir, the prisoners have escaped.
How brave. But ultimately hopeless. There's nowhere to run.
Attention, all resistance personnel. Abandon ship. I repeat, abandon ship. This is short as a
There's no escape. You will tell me the location of the secret base, and then I will destroy you and the resistance.
You guys really like cutting it close, don't you? Okay, you're clear. Your escape pods came in a little off target. Ground crews will meet you outside the wreck.
All right, nice job, recruits. Not what you signed on for, but hey, you're resistance now. I think I have that authority. Right, Beck? Where's the lieutenant? I need eyes on Beck. Line up, scan for his pod beacon.
Lieutenant Beck here.
Beck! You're alive!
I should hope.